So a few people have asked me if they should use AI for eBay listing descriptions or if they should write it themselves. Which one would help them get the most sales? Now this depends. It depends on your experience as a copywriter. If you've tried copywriting before and you're good at copywriting and you got background experience, then writing a description yourself might actually help you. But if you don't know what copywriting is, or you have no experience with it, then I reckon you should just stick to the AI descriptions. Now, the thing is, even if you're a great copywriter, writing a good description might only increase your conversion rate by 2-3%. Now that might be good, especially if you're selling like a few hundred products. So imagine you're selling shoes. If you have like 200 shoes in stock and you want to sell all of them off, then 2-3% increase in conversion rate is excellent. You'll get a lot more sales. If you're just selling one random thing laying around your house, like I sold my Xbox for example, a 2 or 3% increase in conversion rate isn't such a big deal. Because after all, it only got like 30 views before it sold. So yeah, it depends on what you're using the description for. If it's for a product with lots of stock, then writing a good description is important. So if you're trying to sell shoes and you're selling like 200 of them or something else for example, and you're good at copywriting, I reckon you should write the description yourself. If you're not good at copywriting and you're still trying to sell shoes and a lot of them, just use AI. Because look, the thing about the AI is it might not convince people to buy your product, but it definitely won't convince people not to buy your product. And it looks professional also. So if someone wants to buy your product, they'll check the description and they'll continue to buy it. So that's fine. But after you use AI for the description, make sure to reread it. Because sometimes it can put like wrong information and you don't want to get in trouble for all of that. So make sure you reread it. But honestly bro, if you're selling stuff laying around the house or you're just doing some internet arbitrage, the description isn't that important. Because think about it, when you buy a product, do you look at the description first? No, you don't. You look at the images, then the title, and then when you're about to buy it, you might have a quick glance at the description to make sure everything's right. The description generally doesn't convince the person to buy it. So the AI is just fine for this. It'll make you look professional and it won't convince them not to buy it. So yeah bro, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and stay on the right side of YouTube, and I'll catch you later.